mattress. So you saw my bar cart. You know, I like it. It's very rustic, so it went with my theme. And I like that it has the galvanized and the wood, and I like that it's 3 because there's more room and more space to decorate. All right, so now let's get into the video, and I'm gonna start decorating this for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys liked it. I thought it came out very pretty, very rustic, romantic, sweet. This year, my kind of theme was more pink than red. So I like how it turned out. If you liked how this turned out, give this video a thumbs up. Oh, wait. Pink. I swear to you, I did not. It wasn't planned, guys. 100% it wasn't planned. All right, anyway, so if you like my bar card, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on all the videos and all the great decorating, all the seasonal decorating. That's it for this video today, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!